You good? You got me?
Yeah.
Let's talk loud, mate, because it's still not that loud in my ear.
How's that?
Yeah, a bit better.
I can't hear you real well.
Mine's turned right up.
There you go.
Chuck your net on, mate. Window net. Check your harnesses, make sure they're tight before we get in there. Does it matter which one? Righto, thank you. Enjoy your night. Get the soft box. Straight in. Take it.
So this is Rock and Justin here from Boston Wins. Quick hello to these guys. Hello boys, how are you?
Good, Matty. How are you?
Good. Mate, have a look at this team. Suits and all. Looks great. Ready for a run?
Yep. Good.
Great, this guy talks amazing. A lot of lights here. Look, he's got gear sticks and everything. Brother, how you doing?
Yeah, good, mate. Yourself?
You ready to have a go?
Yeah, always.
First time?
Nah, done a couple.
You're not nervous?
Nah, she's not.
You're not nervous?
Nah. We're
Enjoy.
good.
See ya.
You wouldn't talk if he was fucking swinging off you, would you? You're nervous as fuck.
Hey guys, how you going?
Yeah, good.
Alrighty, we're on channel 21. I'll call the start for you on the radio. I'll make sure you can hear me before we do that, alright? I'll give you 30 seconds and then we'll count it down from 5.
Yeah.
So we've got a navigation point to point. 2 cars will race on the same circuit at the same time. You must acquire all waypoints in consecutive order. Race along the creek and turn right at waypoint 1. Take caution between waypoint 2 and waypoint 3.
2 to 3 is caution.
In between 2 to 3 is a caution. Be careful. Alright. There is a possibility of two-way traffic. If so, keep left. Reflectors are hanging on low branches only. There is a box finish. You finish in the box you start. It is a 22-minute DNF.
Thank you. Righto, straight out and around. May want to check our harnesses, that's pretty good of them.
I got the rear locker in, but
Yep.
when we get motor in, turned off.
Righto, bud, let's do it.
Okay guys, can you both hear me? Radio check.
Copy.
Okay guys, we'll start in 30 seconds.
Behind that cameraman.
Good. We're in first.
Will be.
Thank you. Yes! I'm going for you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go, mate. Easy. Stick high. Easy. don't damage shit. That's it. Pick this up. It's back. Go around. Hit back. Keep going. Wait, slow down while I try and find it. We're getting away from it, go back. Straight. What the fuck is this thing doing?
Southwest, west.
Go to your right. Up here. Round to the left. To the left. Got it. Let's go. Fucking lines to get to it. Go to the right. More right. Over here, come on. Keep going right. Alright, back to the left a bit. Just got to bear with it because we're waiting, we haven't got a full compass. Cross to the left a little bit. Left a little. Right, we're almost straight on. 60 metres. Slow down. Should be in somewhere here. We're getting further away from it. Go back. Left a little bit. Right there. We should be in it. Go. Right, let's go. Haven't got it up yet, mate. Left hand down. More left. That's it. Straighten up. We're in a little bit here. Caution through here. This is where it's getting shit. Straight ahead, still got 300 metres. Left more. Righto. Fuck you. Sorry mate, wrong switch. Go right. Go hard right, more right. More right. That's it, straight up now. Left a bit. Go right. Fuck, mate, this is
No,
so...
we're hitting this up there, isn't it?
Checkpoint 4's here.
Zoom in, mate.
I was zoomed out and that's what fucked me.
Okay, sorry.
It's not following it for some reason. You gotta go right. Fuck, man, what the fuck is this piece of shit doing?
Push go too far. Here we go, I've got it southeast. East.
Left, 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 left. Left, left, left. Don't know what's in here, mate. I can't see shit. Can't have a drop here, but we'll be right. Right. Go.
That's it, back to finish.
Alright, we're done, good. Keep it safe, keep it clean. Just remember. Don't tear the bottom off, mate. Don't tear it up. Slow down, slow down. Try now.
No, she's fucked.
Fuck! Going on, it needs recovery.
She's getting on too. Copy the gate.
There you go.
Yeah, mate.
Car 19 needs a recovery.